Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I am going to explain how to check blood glucose levels with the help of glucometer. Before that, if you have not subscribed our channel, please do subscribe and press the bell icon for regular updates and notifications. So, what is glucometer? Glucometer, it is nothing but it is a simple device which is used to check the blood sugar levels easily at the home. Whenever we buy blood glucometer kit, this glucometer kit contains glucometer, blood glucose monitoring strips, lancet and the lancing device. Coming to the glucometer, we know when we buy glucometer it already contains the battery inside it. If battery is not present, please insert the battery into the glucometer and make sure the positive end of the battery is facing upwards and the negative end is facing downwards, and set the date, time, etc. if it's a new glucometer, the branded new one. And coming to the glucose monitoring strips, generally glucose monitoring strips contain two ends, that is the contact bar part. This end of the test strip should be inserted into the glucometer and the other part is the target area or the confirmatory window, where this part, it's the end where we place the blood sample to check the blood sugar levels. And other important information is that before buying the glucose monitoring test strips, make sure you check the manufacturing date as well as the expiry date, because if we use the monitoring strips which are expired, it won't give the accurate results. So please check the manufacturing and expiry date before buying the strip, and make sure you buy the same branded strip. That is, if you have AccuCheck glucometer, buy the strips of AccuCheck only. If you have Contour Plus One, get the Contour Plus One glucose monitoring strips. This give you accurate results. And keep the test strips in a cool, dry place and avoid direct sunlight and don't refrigerate. And store test strip in the original vial and don't transfer into the other container. Please store the test strip in the same vial which was bought earlier. Coming to the lancet looks like a needle where we insert into the lancing device. Next comes the lancing device. Lancing device, it looks like a pen which holds the lancet inside and is used to prick the fingertip, so that we'll get a drop of blood, and with the help of this blood sample we'll check the blood sugar levels. Basically, lancet device contains the depth adjustable end cap. That is, by twisting this depth adjustable end cap, we can adjust the lancet penetration based on the skin type. It means whenever we twist this depth adjustable end cap, we can adjust the skin penetration. If a person has softer skin, we should make sure the depth should be adjusted at 1. If the person has average skin type, like if generally in females they have average skin type, make sure the depth adjustable end cap should be at 2 or 3. And in case if the skin type is very thick, like generally in males they have thicker skin and callow skin, make sure the end cap should be adjusted at 4 or 5. And the lancet device also contains lancet holder. Lancet device contains a lancet holder which holds the lancet inside. To insert the lancet, first we should remove the cap of the lancing device. To remove the cap, we should turn the lancing device cap in an anti-clockwise direction. And once the cap is removed, just insert the lancet into the lancet holder and push down firmly until it is fully seated. Once the lancet is seated on the lancet holder, twist the protective cover of the lancet until it separates from the needle, and later place back the lancing device cap, and by turning it in clockwise direction. And lancet device also contain a trigger part. By pressing the trigger part, the lancet penetrates into the skin. Remember, different brands have different lancet device. So before using any lancet device, just read the manufacturing instruction and use it. With this basic information, we'll go with the procedure of how to use glucometer to check the blood sugar levels. First step is we should insert the lancet in the lancing device. Once we insert the lancet in the lancing device, then take a glucose monitoring test strip from the vial and place the end of the test strip, that is end with contact bars, should be placed into the glucometer. Once the test strip is inserted, just we'll get a drop of water droplet symbol onto the glucometer screen. It means that the glucometer is ready to check the blood sugar levels. And after this, just wash your hands with warm water or with soap and alcohol to clean the puncture site and rinse and dry it thoroughly. There should not be any moist in the target area where we collect the blood, because any moistness on the finger, it makes the results inaccurate. So before checking your blood sugar levels, wash your hands with soap or alcohol and dry it thoroughly. And gently massage the chosen area, that is the finger, to get the required blood sample. And make sure the blood sample should be collected from the sides of the finger rather than the center, because collecting blood from the sides of the finger makes it less painful when compared to the center of the finger. And to get a drop of blood, just hold the lancing device firmly against the side of your fingertip and press the trigger button. And place the blood sample onto the target area of the test strip. Once you place the blood sample onto the glucometer test strip, we'll get the results on the display of the glucometer. Generally, sugar levels are displayed in milligrams per deciliter on the glucometer. And after the results have been displayed, and remove the lancet from the lancet device and discard it. This is all about the procedure of how to use glucometer with the help to check the blood sugar levels. Hope this video has helped you. If you like the video, please share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.